The Rowe Middle School Unity Team is hosting an art showcase to coincide with Trans Awareness Week. Trans Awareness Week is from Monday, November 14th to Friday, November 18th.
The Rowe Unity Team is asking for art that relates to gender, transgender, or non-binary people or experiences. Abstract art is welcomed. The art can be bold or it can be subtle. We ask that the artwork is school-appropriate, respectful, and two-dimensional.
We will be displaying the art in the cafeteria throughout Transgender Awareness Week. If you'd like to submit something, please give it to Ms. Perpich by Wednesday, November 9th, 2022. You can drop it off to her in room 404, or you can email her.
The flyers for this event are posted in the Rowe Hub. If you have any questions, ask Ms. Perpich or a member of the Rowe Middle School Unity Team.